Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG refrigerator main power control board. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new main power control board. The main power control board controls all the functions of the refrigerator. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the refrigerator is not working, or you're getting the error code saying it's bad. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're around back, we have access to the part. It's located right over here on the left-hand side behind this access panel. We're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the panel on. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the panel off and set it aside. Now that we have the panel off, we have access to the main power control board. There's a bunch of wiring harnesses on here we have to disconnect. You want to take a picture of this so you don't mix up any of the wiring harnesses. We're going to start at the top. Let's use a flathead screwdriver and press on all these locking tabs to get the wiring harnesses off. Just want to press on the release tab and pull it out. There's a locking tab on the bottom of this one. Once you have all the wiring harnesses off, there's a locking tab here and here on the left-hand side. We're going to press on those while we pull the left side out, and then we can just slide it out of the right side and pull it off the fridge. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the fridge. Here's the old main power control board next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new power control board in, we're going to put the right side in first and then snap the left side in just like we took it out. Just want to make sure there's no wires behind it. Once you have the wires out of the way, you can snap it in place. Once you have it in place, we can connect the wires. When you push these in, you just want to line them up, make sure they all lock into place. Once you have them all installed, we can put the access panel back on. You just want to line up the foot on the bottom and make sure the power cord is in the little cutout there. You can lift it up. We can use the Phillip screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the fridge back together, you can plug it in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.